Hey guys, welcome back to Canadian Rust. We're here with my 1998 BMW 528i, better known as an E39. And today we're going to be putting the transmission in. Because, you know, it's cold and windy. It's probably going to start snowing, so perfect day to do it. Come along, let's have some fun. So when you're doing a transmission install, you want to make sure you do it outside, in the snow, in the wind. Sorry for the camera rocking, it's the wind blowing it everywhere. You want to make sure you have a buddy with you, that'll help too. I have my imaginary friend with me, he's going to be helping out.
That guy didn't do shit.
See if we can get this in there. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's starting to snow now. Just as I predicted. So we'll get you set up under the car and then we'll throw into hyperlapse while I struggle to fight this up in there. Alrighty, let's do her. Myself in a bit of a pickle. She's up there, but my jack's not going high enough. Let me show you. As you can see, or not, it's dark, I should bring my light out. As you can see, it's almost there, but she's topped out. So, and I don't have enough space to use my arms to get underneath it. So I'm gonna have to figure something out here. Just give me a minute. So close. So far away. Oh. Hey, let's figure something out here. Damn, missed it. I just kind of picked it up and manhandled it onto there off the jack. So, anyways, now I'm gonna get all the bolts. Get all the bolts in. You gotta drop the exhaust a bit to get that to fit back on. That thing's a pain. Alright, let's get hooked back up and like hyperlapse. Alright guys, transmission into place. All I have to do now is the bolts are in the transmission. The release bearing, the starter, sorry about the camera work, the rubber dampener on the flywheel, the unit bearing back there, or the hanger bearing I mean, and then put up the exhaust. See if I can remember where all these bolts go. Let's get back to it. Take a look at this. Perfect. Perfect weather. Perfect training. Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
time you saw me, I was getting the bolts in. Got her all back together. Everything was going great until it all went to shit. Let me show you. I went to press on the clutch. Oh, there's the first clue. Yeah, let's see here. Oh, slave cylinder's back out. Why? Why is the slave cylinder out, you ask? Oh, maybe because it exploded into the bell housing and now all the parts, except for the spring, are in the bell housing. Yeah, I'm super happy. So, looks like I'm taking the trans back out. Woo! Thanks for coming along. Have a good one, guys. Catch you next time.